In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Facebook ad account and also how to add money to your Facebook ad account. If you watch here, you will see that there is nothing like ad manager. So for you to start running advertisements using your Facebook, what you need to do is you come over to this create account, you create ad. Over here, you'll see ads manager. Click on it. Come over to billings. Here you can see there is no money in this very account. So because it's like a virgin account, you go over to payment settings. You can see here you add money. So here, please do not use this credit card or debit card. What you need to use is here, so that you create a Naira account. Here now you have to use Naira to pay for your advertisements. If you use this very place now, you may not be able to do that with certain cards. So we'll continue. So from here, you add the very how much you want. The balance is 0.00, and here say I want to add 5,000 to this very account. I quickly click on review payments, and this is it. Here we go. We continue. You check this button here and add your card details quickly now. So here I am. I have to pay the sum of 5,000 Naira, and I save this. So now you can see that what I am using here is UBA MasterCard. So I have to follow the instructions down there. So I click here. So here I've received my message. I have to enter it accordingly, and I submit. You can see here your transaction was successful. So everything is still in place. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for my subsequent videos.